Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got some big news. If you saw the Miata video where I showed you guys the new wrap, it's at the same place, so here's the wrap, or here's the Miata now. You probably saw a white vehicle behind me. That is our series that we're going to be doing. I bought a $350 2011 Subaru Forester. It has 126,000 miles on it. Not bad at all, but it ran out of oil and it's not running. It's going to be a bigger project. Probably gonna have to rebuild the engine. That's fine. We've done it before. I had to do the same thing on my Wrx, but there's some tests we got to do before anything. And I'm not going to do it this video. I'm going to introduce this car, and next video I'll do some tests on it. But let me guys show you the car. You guys at this point probably think my favorite car is, our favorite color is white, considering I have the white Wrx. I have what used to be the white Miata and now a white Forester. It just happened that way. I swear, it's not my favorite color. But this is it. 2011 Subaru Forester, 126,000 miles. The only damage I can see is this rear bumper right here, which is fine. I mean, it's an all-wheel drive vehicle with low miles, and once I put a new engine in it, it'll work great. That cosmetic isn't going to do anything for it, but here it is. Other side looks clean. Has heated leather seats. It's got Bluetooth radio. It's got a pair of dice in the mirror. It's got that nice sunroof. It's super clean. There's some oil because I wanted to see if the engine rotated. I'll show you guys that here in a second. But I mean, it's very clean. For its age and what has happened to it, it's super clean. Here's the story. The story is, I bought this car from a friend of mine, and they were gonna scrap it. So I said, hey, can I buy it off you guys? I don't care what's wrong with it. And he said, yeah, sure, that's fine. So $350 later, here it is. It's in the garage, and we're gonna, God, that's bright. We're gonna try to figure out what we need to do to fix this. Pretty certain it's gonna need an engine, at least a short block. I might be able to redo the heads and stuff or reuse them. We'll have to see. I don't know if there was like a wheel bearing out. I have no clue because I can't drive it. So the main thing is we got to get this thing running, and that's what we're gonna do. That's what this series is gonna be about. It's gonna be diagnosing it, what's going on with it, what we need to do to fix it, and then me fixing it, putting it all back together, and hopefully it running and going from there. So that's what this video is gonna be about. It's just me introducing this car to you guys. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. It's gonna be more videos out, hopefully. It's not gonna be like I'm gonna be able to do all this within a week because, you know, money. But I'm excited, super excited. Let me go over like the engine and everything with you guys. Let me get a light. But here's what we got. So obviously it's the 2.5, if I remember correctly. Yeah, if I remember, this year is the first chain. It's a 2.5. It, like I've said, once or twice, maybe 3 times, 126,000 miles. There's no holes in the block that I can see. All he said is that he was driving down the interstate, tried to give it gas, wouldn't go really, and then it shut off. Bunch of dash lights and it shut off. So I don't, I checked the dipstick. There was nothing on the dipstick. I put oil in it and tried to just move the engine, and it ended up moving. It was free. And so then I decided, let's try to crank it over. And this is what I got. So that to me sounds like no compression. Now, does it mean there's no compression on any cylinder, or one cylinder, two cylinders? That's what we're gonna have to figure out next video. I think I'm gonna do a compression test next video and see where we're at. But it sounds like there's no compression. It's spinning, the engine's moving freely, which is good, means it's not locked up. But if, I don't know, maybe there's a rod knock, maybe a piston's completely messed up. Either way, I'm gonna have to take this engine out, but I do want to diagnose it and try to get it running just to see if anything's salvageable in this engine. Could it ruin it more? Probably. But again, I'm already expecting to have to get a new short block at the very least. So that's about it. That's the scoop. It's going to be a new series that we're going to have. I'm excited for it. I've said that multiple times, but I'm really excited for it. It just means more videos, more content, and I hope you guys will follow along with this journey and see what we can do with this car. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.